Hey guys, it's 9:56 p.m. It's really early, but my parents aren't home. They went out to Walmart or something because tomorrow we're going to have a big barbecue. Today we're at my house and we're doing another one of Favor's videos. Tomorrow's Memorial Day.
Oh shit.
Yeah. We're hearing really freaky sounds from our family room. And Brian thinks that it's like a raccoon from the garbage. And Danny's leaving. A lot of people have to pee right now. My parents are supposed to be here. Oh, they're here. Okay, that was Brian being a retard. My parents are here. So yeah, we're hopefully thinking that it's a raccoon.
I'm hearing it.
But yeah, we're gonna face you guys to where we are. And hopefully we could find out what it is. Keep on watching. Don't go away.
Okay, as you know what it's like somewhere like in the corner where our garbage is, and we think it's a cartoon because you know, like those. Oh yeah, a raccoon. Sorry. Yeah, it's cool. And you know how how raccoons like always like garbage and stuff. So yeah. So nice to comments.
All right, guys. We can't. My dad said no. Oh man, I have to pee.
Oh, he said not open the door, right?
Yeah. We all look really bad. We weren't sleeping. We were just like watching TV and stuff.
Yeah. I don't know. I think it's coming from the deck.
Yeah, but there's nothing on the deck.
See.
And we really. Oh, hold on. There's a light switch. I could like scare away.
Oh, look at that. Yo.
That's
my parents.
And or my dad.
Okay, yo.
How do you turn it? It's raccoons because if they're beeping.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Then my parents saw them. Stay here. Okay. Just hurry. Alright, yeah. Oh yeah. I haven't done this in weeks. Oh yeah. Yeah, like that. Oh. Let's check inside.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a little bit in there. Ooh. Good.
Why were you guys beeping?
Yeah, boy.
Okay, we're trying to look outside.
Alright, we're back.
Alright, guys. Parents are here. It's all safe. They said they didn't see anything. Hopefully, we're going to find out later tonight. We're going to make lots more videos tonight and tomorrow during the barbecue. I know, my God. Yeah, so thanks for watching this really stupid video. Hopefully it's nothing bad. And if we don't make any more videos, that means we're like dead or we're too lazy. So this is Mila Productions BSD. Come here, Brian. Signing off.
My teeth look
Brian, come here and say goodbye to our watchers.
I have no cavities. Good.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.